Last class we have seen encoder, octal to binary encoder and decimal to binary encoder or decimal to BCD encoder. In that what problem comes? If two inputs are high, then the output will show some error. Okay. Actually, in encoder, any one of the input is high always. Okay. Either 0 or 1, 2, 3, any one input is high and output is generated for that particular high input. Okay. If two inputs are high, then output will be error. Okay, it will show some error. Now to avoid that only, priority encoder is designed. Then what is meant by priority encoder? Okay, in priority encoder, the output is generated for high value magnitude. That means we have designed 4 by 2 encoder, priority encoder. 4 by 2 means already you know 4 inputs are there, 2 outputs are there. Okay, here 4 means it is a decimal number only, 0 to 3. Okay, and output is binary number. Therefore here, as you know, the inputs are in diagonal. Okay, that means first input means D0 is 1 and it is equal to binary number 00. And D1 means equal to decimal 1 and equal binary is 01. And D2 binary, sorry, decimal 2, binary 10 and decimal 3 and binary 11. It is a in normal encoder we put like this and we put here also 0. Okay. If you see in the octal to binary, you can understand. Only diagonal 1, all are 0. But in priority encoder, what we do is, here we put don't care condition. Here we put don't care condition. Okay. Now I will erase this. Okay. To understand only I have written this. Now I will erase this. Here we put don't care condition. In many books they have put X. Therefore I also put X. And some books or 1 or 2 books you can put D also for don't care condition. Then what's meant by a don't care condition? That means in priority encoder, priority is given to maximum value. Priority, that is you have to understand. Priority is given to the maximum value. And if lower value is also present 1, then it will be ignored, whether it is 0 or 1. Here X may be 0 or 1. But it will be ignored. Only the high priority is taken. Just I give you an example. If 2 persons are applying for a job, okay, as per the rule, if both are having same qualification, everything same, then priority will be given to the senior only. Okay, just like a elderly people. Okay, because they will not be having any chance further. Elder may have, younger may have chance, elder will not be having. Therefore, the priority is given for the senior only. Just like here, priority is given for high value. That is called priority encoder. Now, I will explain how we are designing this. Understand? In normal encoder, the diagonal is 1. That means at one time, only one input is high and output is generated for that input only. Okay. Now, we are putting don't care condition for the lower values, not for this. If D1 is means, here D1 is 1, lower value is D0. If these both are 1, then the output will be generated for D1 only. If this and this, all the 3 are 1 here, okay, then output will be generated for D2 only. If all the 4 are 1 or any 2 is 1, then output is generated for D3 only. That is priority encoder. Got it? Here D2 and D3 are 1. That means actually encoder should give only one high value in the input. But here 2 are showing. That means the output will be generated for 1. That means 1 1, that means this D3 1, this 1 1 will be generated as an output. Okay. Now let us go for a equation. Here the CAMAP is also little bit different. Okay, because we are designing some special circuit. Therefore, the table is also different. I'll explain how we are preparing the CAMAP. Say y output is 1 for two value. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. For D3, 1, 1. Okay. Now here say this is 1. For 1 which is high, D2 is high. Okay. You have to write the min term for this. You have to write the min term for this. Just you write XX10. XX10. As I told you, X can take 0 or 1. Okay. X can take 0 or 1 value. Now you have to put, this is the min term for this value. This is the min term for this value. That means X10. Now you have to substitute all the possibilities. This X has 0, 0. It may have. Then 1, 0. This 1, 0 is constant. And this may have 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Just you go for 4 values. Okay. Now we have 4 combinations. And for this one, it is X1. Okay. And here, this 3 X's can have 8 possibilities from 000 to 111. That means you will be having here 8 combinations. Here 4 combination and here 8 combination. Then total 12 will be there. You have to fill that 12 here. Okay. But I'll tell you some simple way how to fill this. Okay. Here X is 1 for D2. Okay. Now you have to check, this is the CAMAP for these 4 inputs. D2, D3, D0, D1, and just like CAMAP, normal CAMAP this row and normal CAMAP this. Now the filling is little special case. Therefore, I told this. If you don't understand this, leave it. Okay. How to fill, I tell you. Here X is 1 for D2. Now here in D2, in this is D2 and this is D2. Okay. Here D2 bar, complement. And these 2 columns are for D21. Therefore, you simply put 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now you have filled D2. Now the next one is, for this one you have filled. And for this one, D3 is 1. That means here, where is D3? Here D3 is there, here D3 is there. This is D3 complement, this is D3 complement. Therefore, you fill here D3. Now this is your CAMAP, cells are filled. Okay. Now you have to write an equation. Therefore, this equation is for X. This output. Okay. Now this is the output. This is the output and these for all the input. Now here, how to write? You can form a quad. You can form a quad for this. Okay. If you form a quad, then D2 complement D2, that is changing. Therefore, your D3 is the one variable. And you can form a quad for this. You can form a quad for this. For here, D3 is changing. Therefore, D2. Therefore, this is your equation for X. Now, how to fill equation for Y? Okay. Here, you just see this one. Okay. Here, what is the D1? D1 is constant. Okay. That means D1 is generating 1. And here D3. Okay. First you go for a D3. Therefore, this is D3, 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 D3. Okay. And here D1 I told you. Where is D1? Here D1 is there, here D1 is there. Therefore, you just fill in this. Okay. Now we have filled this. Okay. For Y value. This is for Y value. Now, just like your equation, you have to go for a quad. Now this is your quad. Here that means D3. D3 plus, and you can go for a, sorry, I have told quad, this is octet. Okay, sorry. This is quad. Okay. And here This is the quad. For this quad, what is the variable? Here variable is D1, and here D2 complement, Okay. Here two octets are there. One octet, another octet. Octet eliminates three variable. Therefore, you are having one variable here, one variable here. And here one octet is there. Therefore, here one variable and one quad is there. Therefore, you are having this variable. Now you got two equations. Now you have to design circuit. And here I have given some important concept. Okay. Encoder finds application in compression of information in transmission or storage and for encryption. Okay. And next one is the output is the physical address of the lines. They may ask in 2 mark or filling the blanks like this. Okay. Now you can draw a circuit for this. Equation you have written. Okay. Now how to design? Now what are the inputs? Inputs are D0 to D3. Therefore, just like you go D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay. And here X is the output, Y is the output. Therefore, you just go like this. Okay. And X, here two inputs are there. Therefore, you put one OR gate. Okay. D2 and D3. Therefore, D2 and D3. Okay. This is your X output. And for Y, there are two terms. Therefore, you have to go for a AND gate. Therefore, first you go for a AND gate. Okay. D1 and D2 complement. Therefore, you connect one NOT gate here. Okay. Now here D2 complement, and which is ORed with D3. This output is ORed with D3. Therefore, you put one OR gate. Okay. And D3. You put D3 here. Okay. This is your Y. Okay. And what about D0? D0 is, this is 0. Therefore, automatically we have to connect to 0. Then it will display 0 only. Okay. In some books it is given value V, and value V is 0 for this and all others for 1. Okay. You can go for that also. And D0, because it is not required for any gate. Therefore, you can directly connect to 0 value. Now, how to check this? How to check this? I told you it will give maximum value only. That is, priority is given for maximum value. That means D3 means D2 is 1 is this, it will not give. Now you check for D2. D2 equal to 1. D2 equal to 1 means all others will be 0. Okay, as per the table. D2 is 1 means all others will be 0. Therefore, D2 1 means this OR gate will give, and here it will generate 0. Therefore, 1 0 will come. Okay. D3 1 means D3 will be 1, this 1 will be there, and all will be 0. That means again, no, here also D3 is connected. Okay, therefore it also generate 1, it also generate 1, 1 1 will be there. Okay. Now D2 and D3 are 1. This is very important. D2 and D3 are 1. Now it should select, it should give priority for D3 only. Okay, let us check how it do. Okay, now D2 is 1. D2 is 1 means this is 1, this is 0. Okay, that means this AND gate will be 0. This AND gate will be 0. And here D3 1 and D3 1. That means here it will generate 1, here it will generate 1. D2 also 1, D3 also 1, but the output is for only D3. This is the priority encoder. Thank you. Please put a comment and please subscribe.